Today we are making elephant toothpaste.
We will need a beaker, a funnel, water,
hydrogen peroxide,
yeast, food coloring, a stirrer,
and dish soap.
We will be mixing yeast with water. First, you carefully pour the yeast into the water cup.
Next, stir the yeast gently.
Stir till there's no more clumps. Today we're going. Next, we're going to add hydrogen peroxide into the beaker.
Be careful because hydrogen peroxide can give you a chemical burn.
That's why you should have an adult to pour it in for you. You'll need safety goggles and gloves.
Next, we add dish soap into our beaker.
Then add food coloring. About 10 drops. Put your favorite color down below in the comments. Last, we're going to add a catalyst.
A catalyst is something that creates a chemical reaction.
Our catalyst is yeast. Pour it in quickly but carefully.
Back up.
Right there. Oh my
It's out of the cup.
Oh. No.
Did you pour yours in, Charlie?
Yeah. Whoa! Mine isn't working. Whoa! Crazy. That is. Why isn't yours working?
I don't know what happened.
Let me see.
His isn't working.
It's probably because the beaker is different. Sometimes you get a different chemical reaction depending on the beaker.
Maybe he needed more yeast because of how white it was whiter.
That's a good observation.
That's crazy. It almost filled up the whole plate.
Oh no, it's tipping over.
Science is all about experimenting. Sometimes experiments don't work.
But that's okay.
Just keep trying. I didn't work because of the shape of my beaker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. Bond's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell.
Also, hit that like button.
And search us on Facebook.